Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn how to make Angry Birds Tic-tac-toe. It's very easy to make and very easy to play. Pay attention and write down everything we're going to need. Let's go! To play the Angry Birds Tic-tac-toe game, you'll need foam, colored black, gray, white, red, orange, and green, a pencil, glue, a black marker, and a ruler. Start by cutting out the templates found in the video description. Now, with the red foam, I'm going to trace around my Angry Bird like this. And let's trace the piggy on the green foam. Let's cut out the eyes, eyebrows, and beak. Place each part in its corresponding color. And with the scissors, we'll make the magic happen. Now it's done. Now let's use our glue. Without using too much, we'll glue each part in its proper place. That's the beak. These are the eyes. And last, his missing eyebrows. Now let's do the piggy. That's our piggy's nose. And those are the eyes. Wait for it to dry, and with the black marker, we will draw the eyes and add some outlines. Do the same thing with the piggy. We're going to fill in the ears, the eyes, and the nostrils. Don't forget to draw a line for the mouth. Let's do 5 pieces of the bird and 5 pieces of the piggy. With the black foam, we will make a square that's 27 centimeters by 27 centimeters. Then pencil in smaller squares 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Cut strips of gray 1 centimeter wide and 27 centimeters long and paste them over the pencil markings. See how quick and easy that was to do? Now let's play! I hope you enjoyed it, my friends. Subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Until next time.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!